If you're just entering the college application process, this is a fantastic starting point. We're going to discuss the Common App personal statement. In our opinion, college essays are probably the most important part of your college application. You heard that right. While your academic work is important, once you meet a college's academic bar, which the majority of applicants do, a slight boost in grades or test scores typically won't have as much of an impact on your admissions chances as a stronger college essay. We go into more detail on that in this video. There are all sorts of essays that you might encounter in the college application process, from personal statements that go to several schools to school-specific supplements that are sent to just one. Students applying to highly selective schools with an admissions rate less than 15% could find themselves writing as many as 40+ essays across all of their applications. To learn more about the various types of essays you'll encounter, head to our Instagram or TikTok pages at Prompt Feedback or our Writing Center, writingcenter.prompt.com, to find videos and articles that will walk you through all the different types of essays you'll have to write for all of your schools. But while you're still building your school list and getting a sense of the admissions process, let's focus on the main essay that the majority of students will have to write, the Common App personal statement. In case you're unfamiliar, the Common Application is an application platform that enables students to complete one main application that can be sent to multiple schools. There are currently over 1,000 member colleges and universities. One component of the application is the essay, which we'll refer to as the Common App personal statement. This is a personal essay required by all schools that accept the Common App, which is the majority of them, although there are other application systems and school-specific applications. It has a 650-word limit, and students are asked to answer one of 7 prompts. But here's the thing. We actually encourage students to nail down their essay topic before picking a prompt. While that strategy seems a bit backwards, we have a few good reasons for suggesting it. For one, the prompts are open-ended enough that students shouldn't have a problem finding a prompt that fits their essay, especially because there's a super broad one that reads, share an essay on any topic of your choice. It can be one you've already written, one that responds to a different prompt, or one of your own design. Second, it helps students to avoid common mistakes, like writing an essay about another person or writing about their most traumatic story without revealing much about themselves. We discuss more of these mistakes in this video. That brings us to the purpose of the Common App personal statement. Admissions readers' #1 priority is to determine your potential to succeed in college and beyond. And the way to show them that potential is by writing about your experiences that demonstrate one or more of these 5 key traits: drive, intellectual curiosity, contribution, initiative, and diversity of experiences. We talk about those more in depth in this video. So let's recap. The Common App personal statement is a 650-word essay that uses what you've done to demonstrate your strongest traits. Notice how I said what you've done as opposed to what you've experienced or what happened to you. The Common App personal statement is not the place where you have to share your most traumatic story, although some students might if it truly is the best experience for demonstrating their strongest traits and their growth. The Common App personal statement is also not a resume or a transcript. Those are separate components of your application, and you don't need to use this essay to repeat activities, accomplishments, and coursework that the reader will be able to find elsewhere. Finally, the Common App personal statement is not the place to show off your fanciest writing skills. Yes, it should be well organized, clear, and polished, but many students have the impulse to impress readers with complicated metaphors and elevated language. We found that those tactics can actually distract the reader from their goal, determining your potential for college success, because you're making it more difficult for them to glean your strongest traits due to your complicated style. So what should you write about? And what should the structure of the essay look like? Like this video and follow us here and on our other social channels so you don't miss those answers and other college application tips.